Okay guys, well as you can see we got the motherboard, came in today, a day early, which is good, because we're going to start the build. And so what I'm going to do is just prep the case right now, put the standoffs in, and then we'll get to the motherboard. Okay, so now what we're going to do is install the CPU on the motherboard. Okay, so now once we got the CPU on, we're ready to install the fan. Again, he's not going to do any overclocking, so he doesn't need a really, high performance fan or anything. That should be fine. So we'll install that. Okay, so now that we got the fan installed, now what we're going to do is install the RAM. Okay, now that we got the RAM and everything installed, we're ready to fasten it down inside the chassis. Okay, now that we installed the motherboard, we're ready to install the graphics card.
Okay, so we just got a little update on here with the cable management that I'm doing. So we got most of the cables and the front panel audio coming around from the top down the side, and it goes in the back and then comes back out right here. We got the power cables coming right there, zip tied going to the back. The cool thing about the 300 has this big cubby back here to hide most of the cables since this isn't modular. So we got, just for the side front pan up here, we got a wire coming down. And it's powered right there. The top fan, we got it coming around, anchored down, and then goes around to the back.
Okay, we are finally completed here. Got all the cables from the front panel coming down. Put the SATA cables all nicely tucked away in there. Front panel and SATA cables coming out from behind the back panel. Got the PSU, all the cables going into the back. We've got the 8-pin power for the CPU coming up the side. Wraps around. Goes in. We've got the fan header coming down here as well. Look up top here, we got the top fan. It's power coming up. It's going down and then goes to the back and plugs into the 4-pin Molex. Looks pretty good. Alright, let's bring it around to the back. Okay, in the back here we just got the little cubby here with all the extra wires that we haven't used. Got a lot we didn't use, but they're nicely tucked away back behind there. Alright, next thing to do is fire this puppy up. Alrighty guys, here we go. We got it all hooked up. It's ready to go. Make sure we flip the switch on. Come on, green light, green light. Yes! That's a good sign when the green light turns on your motherboard. Okay, ready? Oh! Yes, yes. Yes! Yes! Oh, I love you. Oh, there we go, guys. complete. Next video, I'll just do a video just, you know, of it by itself, showing it all off, whatever. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you comment, rate, subscribe. My dad's build. Oh, make sure this works. Nice. Alright guys, see ya.